everyone, this is GM with another product. This is Hcman's gaming keyboard. This is such a nice keyboard. It has 87 keys, aluminum alloy panel, double shot injection molded floating ABS keycaps, 2 rubberized holders, and 2 fold holders to prevent it from slipping. It has anti-ghosting, which means you can press multiple buttons at once, no problem. There are 9 different lighting modes, customized adjustment for intensity, and lighting for special game demand. It has customized dust-proof mechanical switch, Cherry MX equivalent. It is 4.84 inches long, 13.78 inches wide, and 1.38 inches tall. It's about 1.4 pounds. The keyboard comes with a key removal tool as well, and it has a 1-year warranty. Alright, so I already plugged in the keyboard, and as you can see, there's a lot going on. The wire is really well protected, and it's very long. It comes with a manual and one of these little tools so you can remove the keys. I'm going to go through the 9 different lighting modes. So to change them, you press function and F9 at the same time. Right now, we have it on LED full on mode. Now it's on pulsating mode. As you should be able to see it pulsating a bit. Now it's on single key mode. When I press a key, you'll see it lights up for a little bit. So now it's on vertical spreading mode. So if I press a key, it just pulsates outward from wherever I press. Now it's on flowing mode. So it's just gonna kind of pulsate outward from one side. Now it's on snake mark mode. As you can see, it's actually kind of snaking across the screen. So now it should be on corner mark mode, and it's just pretty much pulsating downward from the corners. Now it's on line mark mode, so if I hit one, you see it pulsates outward in a straight line. Now it's on line spreading mode, so it's gradually going to make its way down. And now it's just off. However, you'll notice that this key, caps lock, and the SL are going to stay lit up no matter what if you press them. And that's because you kind of need those there, to tell you that it's on or not. Because if this never lights up, you won't know if you have caps lock on or not. So other than those 9 lighting modes, you can also, let me first turn it back on. So if you press function and the number 4, not F4, it lights everything back up to normal. If you press function and 5, it'll have a RTS written under it, and that stands for real-time strategy. So it highlights the keys that you'd use in a real-time strategy game. Function and 6 will do it for a first-person shooter game, and function and 7 puts it to office mode. So these are mainly the keys you'd use for an office. And if you press function and number 1, 2, or 3, those are custom modes. So right now I don't have anything set for it, but if I hold function and escape, it also is a record button. So you see these 2 flashing because these are always going to be lit up whenever you press it. So let's just press, I'm just going to make a pattern here. So now I'm going to press function record, and it should have saved it. So here's back to normal, everything lit up. And now if I press function 1, see, it has it exactly how I had it set up. So you can do this for 3 different, you can have up to 3 different customs. So that's really nice. So if you have a game where you only use, let's say, a couple of these keys over here and these keys here, you can just have those lit up. Alright, so if you press function and either F5 through F8, these are office functions. So if you press function and F5, it'll open up your computer, so my computer. If you press function and F6, it'll open up the web. Function F7 opens up your email, and function F8 opens up a calculator. Alright everyone, that's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please like and subscribe. The link to this product is in the description below. If you have any questions, leave a comment below or tweet me, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Thanks for joining me.